Long ago, in a little snow-covered village, there lived a girl named Lira who loved Christmas more than anything else. But Lira finally was poor. They could not afford big decoration or gifts. All they had was a small wooden door, an empty home. One winter evening, Lira found a broken wreath beside an old shop, half torn, dusty, almost forgotten. She picked it up, it gently, and whispered, "Maybe you can still shine." Just like Ira, we are now about to bring our wreath to life. Add a few red berries for color symbolizing warmth in the cold. Add ornaments for sparkle symbolizing hope. And finish with ribbon symbolizing love tied around the home. Lyra carried the broken wreath home. She glowed little pine cones she found in the forest. She tried twigs and teeny branches she wrapped with leftover jute her mother used in the kitchen. And slowly the broken wreath became beautiful again. People in the village sighed, hanging at her door, and smiled. No one knew how it looked so magical until one night the village elder said, "Something and sometimes the things we will fix with love, whisper blessing make to us. Now it's time for the magic touch. LED fairy lights wrap them gently around the wreath, keeping the glow soft and warm. When let it look like teeny firelights dancing around your handmade creation. And so Little Wreath became famous in her village, not because it was perfect, but because it was made with love. Every Christmas after that, people believe her wreath would whisper kindness into every home it touched. This is why we decorate, not to impress others, but to bring warmth, memory, and story into our lives. And there you go, your beautiful handmade Christmas wall, outdoor wreath, and magical story to go with it. I hope you enjoy the craft, you enjoy the story of Lira. There is some more amazing craft. Take your red ring and wrap it tightly using jute rope. The natural fiber gives warm texture and a farmhouse Christmas charm. As you wrap, measure